Let's make this dish. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut up a zucchini, kind of julienne or French fry size, you know, something in between, something like that. This size should be pretty good. About like that, I think will work good. And then I'm going to chop up some scallions for in the sauce. And then on top of the fish, after it's plated. These are a little on the big side from what I wanted, but they'll be all right. All right, there's the scallions chopped up. I should put them in water. I got this celery in water, and it stays pretty firm for a couple days. But now I'm going to have to eat it, otherwise it's going to taste like scallions. All right, now a little flat leaf Italian parsley. That's actually kind of the bulk of the ingredients right there. All right, so I got the water about ready to boil. I'm going to put some olive oil in here. Good thing I just bought one today. So those were bow ties. In go the zucchini. A little bit of salt. I'll let them cook for a minute, and then I'll put in the garlic and a little bit of the scallion. All right, so there's the fillets. I'm going to put that here. I don't have much room. Get it started, and I'm going to put it on really low. And I'm going to add, I wanted some white wine, but I didn't have any, and I forgot to get it, so I'm going to use a little vermouth. Not too much. This is that dry French vermouth that I always use. Meanwhile, in goes the garlic. And some of the onions. I'm going to chop up some black olives. All right, the pasta's done, so I'm going to add some of the parsley to this, the olives, and a little bit of the pasta water. All right, healthy knob of butter. And lastly, some crushed red pepper. I wanted to finish the pasta off in here, but I should have used a bigger pan. So I'll just do it in a big bowl. It'll be good. All right. So some of the pasta. One of the fillets, a little bit of the broth from here, which is that white wine, some of the scallions, and some of the parsley. And there is that. Give it a try. That's good. I don't think I could have added anything else. It's a little bit of a messy dish to make, but definitely worth doing. This is a good one.